Hi everyone, I welcome you all to the Golden Dragon School of Martial Arts. My name is Rajveer and I am here to show you today is 11 angles of knife. This is a knife, a training knife which I'm going to use today. So training knife, have a look. Yes. The first angle of the knife, it goes 1. We're drawing an X, 2 X's on top. So I do 1 and 2. So the first angle is 1, 2, second angle. Third angle goes bottom to top. Fourth angle. Fifth angle. Sixth I go for a slice. Seventh one. And then the reverse slice. I step back. And a 11th one. So I go again, repeat again for you. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 and 11. I'll show you in a different angle now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Move faster. Move faster. Again. Thank you so much. Enjoy it. And don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel, Rajveer's Combat System.